External factors or the external environment are the factors which are related to the external world of the organization, and they are totally uncontrollable, my dear student. And the types of external environment are political, then it is economical, then legal, then technological, then demographic, then market, then climatic, and the last is media. First, we are going to start from the political factors. The political factors are the factors which are related to the government of the country or state, the respective government, which is the ruling party of any nation or the country. So we need to perform our business activity as per the need and requirement of the existing and the respective government. We cannot go beyond their rules and regulation. Whatever rules and the strategy they are deciding for the state and country is totally implemented and related to our business. So we need to change our business as per their rules and regulation. We cannot change the rules and regulation of the government. We cannot change the government, but we have to follow the rules and regulation which has been framed out by the government. Second is the economical factor. My dear student, economical factor means the factors which are related to the wealth of any nation or any country. So every business and organization has to frame their business policies by implementing the economical factors of any country, respective country and respective government. And this department, economy of any country, is reported by the finance department of the central government. They are the people who are responsible for the economical strategy and economical decision. For example, we can take the example of tax, GST. These are the things which is been introduced by the government, and we have to implement it in our business if we want to run our business in a smooth way. Third is legal factors. The legal factors are the rules and laws which cannot be ignored. They are meant to follow. They are the legal factors. We cannot ignore the laws and rules and regulation prepared by the court of law. We have to follow them very strictly, and we have to make our business run as per under the guidelines of the laws and rules which are framed out by the court of law. We cannot ignore the law. If we are going to do so, we are going to get punished for that. And the regulatory body for any business is business law, which is responsible for every business activities. We can take help of business law for improving the standard of our business. Then next is technology. The technology is getting advanced day by day, and every organization needs to accept it. My dear student, you have gone through the subject innovation and technology management. So you all might be understanding what is the level of technology, that every new day is a new birth of any technology. So we need to change our business and upgrade our business as per the technology advancement. We cannot be outdated in this current scenario where the technology is growing day by day. We also need to update our business organization and our standard so that we can match up to the other competitors and our rivals. Then demographic factors. Here demographic factors means the factors which are related to the human beings, like the age, the gender, the income, the mentality, the status of any person is related to demographic factors. So my dear student, it is very important for every business firm to realize where their business is running and what are the demographic factors of that particular state and that particular country. The next is market. Market is an independent place where people come to buy and sell the product. So it is a free trade machine, my dear students. So no one can stop their competitor, and no one can force the consumer to purchase the product. Then it is climatic factors. Climatic factors are the natural factors. It is totally related to the nature. We cannot change the climate. We cannot change the situation of the climatic condition. If we want rain, it is not possible that the rain is going to fall. And if we want sunlight, if we want some hot temperature, it doesn't mean that the temperature is going to remain in the same manner. So we cannot control the climate, but climate can impact our business, sometime badly, sometime goodly. And the last and most important is the media. A media, dear student, this media is not news channel and all. This media means the way through which we can advertise and prepare publicity for our product. This is called media. So don't get confused with the news channel which is running nowadays and creating high buzz. No, this media is not related to them. In Hindi we can call it as the madhyam, prachar ka madhyam, through which we advertise our product and we publicize our product. So this is external environment. I hope this is clear and clearly understood to you, my dear student. If any doubt occurs, please let me know so that I can help you to find the solution for that particular doubt. Thank you for listening me, my dear student. Thanks a lot.